Welcome to YuanYi CNC Workshop. Gantry CNC Al 3/4 5-axis machining. Mill turn compound, swish type, precision turning. 5-axis machining, simultaneous. Complex surface. Cutting with 600, 400 millimeters travel for ultra. Precision parts. 3 and 4-axis CNC efficient multi. Face milling, TSUGAMI mill turner 1 setup accuracy, shorter takt time, superior repeatability, extreme accuracy delivered, plus or minus 0.005 millimeters machining, plus or minus 0.002 millimeters grinding, ra 0.4 micrometers finish. Advanced inspection guaranteed. Hexagon 3D CMM spectrometer, 2D projector, TESA height gauge, Rockwell hardness tester, roughness tester, Mitutoyo gauges, 100% inspection, global standards, precision, reliability, consistency. YuanYi, your right choice.